Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, where we will be comparing the sound quality of two popular portable speakers from JBL, the Go 3 and the Go 4. With technology constantly evolving, it's important to stay updated on the latest advancements in audio devices, especially when it comes to enjoying music on the go. The JBL Go 3 and the Go 4 are both compact and lightweight speakers that are designed to deliver powerful and clear sound. But which one is truly superior? We'll be putting these speakers to the test by playing some music and analyzing the sound quality in terms of bass, clarity and overall performance. By the end of the video, you will have a better understanding of the strengths and weaknesses of each speaker and be able to make an informed decision on which is the better choice for your audio needs. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into our sound comparison between the JBL Go 3 and the JBL Go 4. So guys, in conclusion, after a thorough comparison of the sound quality between the JBL Go 3 and the JBL Go 4, it is clear that both speakers offer impressive audio performance. However, the JBL Go 4 edges out the Go 3 in several aspects, making it the superior option for music lovers and audiophiles. The JBL Go 4 boasts a larger driver size of 44mm compared to the 40mm driver of the Go 3, resulting in a more dynamic and fuller sound. Additionally, the Go 4 has a higher frequency response range of 90 Hz with 20 kHz, providing more depth and clarity in the audio. This is in contrast with the Go 3's frequency response range of 110 Hz to 20 kHz. The JBL Go 4 also has a higher maximum output power of 5 watts compared to the Go 3's 4.1 watts, allowing for a louder and more immersive sound experience. Furthermore, the JBL Go 4 features an upgraded Bluetooth version of 5.1, while the Go 3 only has Bluetooth 5.0, resulting in a more stable and seamless connection. Overall, the JBL Go 4 offers a noticeable improvement in sound quality and performance compared to its predecessors, solidifying its position as the top choice for portable and compact speakers. In the end, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Stay tuned and stay safe.